Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a video conference today with chief ministers of states. This is the third video conference with chief ministers during this period of the lockdown. The Prime Minister said that the lockdown enforced by the centre has resulted in thousands of lives being saved over the past month and a half. And he also added that the country needs to give more importance to the economy as well while fighting the coronavirus pandemic. In fact, sources have also added that states must focus on turning red zones, which have a large number of COVID cases, into orange zones and finally into green zones. That is what the Prime Minister spoke to the chief ministers about, the process of how that in fact can be done. In fact, those, of course, are some of the points that were discussed during that all-important meeting between the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers. Now, sources say that Odisha and Goa Chief Ministers have sought an extension of the lockdown. Now, during the meeting, sources also said that the states demanded economic activities in green zones after the 3rd of May. The Chief Ministers have also sought for centres support on supply of ventilators and also raised issues being faced by the MSME pharma sector as well. Let me in fact go across to Nikunj Garg, who's joining me on the phone line at this point in time. Nikunj, this of course is an extremely important meeting, the third meeting between the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers of States. If you can take us through what's come out so far.
Well, the meeting has ended some time back, and there are key decisions that have been taken. But the big takeaway from today's meeting has been that from 3rd of May, you will not have a national lockdown. What you will have is a graded lockdown as per the grades of the district, which is red, orange, and green. Also, you will have a small containment zone in between those red zones or green zones wherever it is required. It may be contiguous in all the zones, it may be non-contiguous. Similarly, the second big aspect is that in the green zones, the economic activity will fully start. So that's the big takeaway. The national lockdown, as we know it today, is a thing of history from May 3. And from now on, from 4th of May, we will have the entire nation divided into 3 zones, red, green, and orange. And according to their status, the economic activity in these zones will resume. Number 2, which is a very critical issue from the human tragedy or the human aspect point of view of this lockdown and coronavirus pandemic, the migrant labor issue. The migrant labor issue has also been discussed in threadbare, and the Prime Minister has said that so far there has been a movement. The directions were not of any kind of movement, but there has been movement. But the entire vexed issue of migrant labor, keeping in mind the requirements of the industry, like Himachal Pradesh said that while their pharma industry is back on the foot, they are facing a shortage of raw material and the trained manpower because of the migrant labor exodus from the state. The Prime Minister said that keeping in mind the requirements of the industry as well, you need to put in place a plan for migrant labor. Another critical aspect is of the stranded Indians abroad. On that also, the Cabinet Secretary had chaired a meeting on Saturday. Today also the issue was taken up, and a political consensus is now being formulated. So issue of Indians stranded abroad would also be, we will be seeing some quick movement on that in the coming week, in the week that is ensuing from tomorrow. Similarly, after these 3 big takeaways, there are various issues like the Prime Minister said, use of technology in fighting COVID-19, and 2 social mantras on the social front from his moral armament. He said social distancing and face masks at all times. So these are largely big 5-6 takeaways that have come out from the meeting. But as I said, that an overarching decision is that no more national lockdown, one-size-fits-all lockdown, which has also been criticized by the opposition, but in fact a graded lockdown according to the status of a particular geography or geographical terrain or district or taluka at whatever level the state governments want them to fit in.
All right, Nikunj, thanks so much for joining us with all of those details. Extremely important takeaways coming in from that particular meeting. We'll, of course, have to wait by for the modalities of what's exactly going to happen post the 3rd of May.